Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special. I bought a slushy machine. Yes, I know, it has nothing to do with TVs or soundbars, but if you enjoy having good times with friends and family, this machine is awesome. Every time I go to Costco, I see the Ninja slushy machine and I want to buy it, but $330 kinda hurts. So I went and purchased one from Amazon for $269 plus tax. So I did save some money, and let me tell you, it is worth every penny. This is from a company called Vibofrost. It is an 88-ounce capacity with even chill technology, rapid cooling, auto cleaning. It is quiet, and you can make margaritas, milkshakes, frappes, all kinds of drinks. The assembly process, it's easy. It's pretty much already set up and ready to use. I just cleaned it up before using it, and I had to set it up right for at least 2 hours to allow the refrigerant fluid to settle. So another cool thing about this machine is that it comes with a recipe book, quick start guide, and then a care and maintenance guide right here. So let's check out this recipe book. Let's see what we have here. Tips for using frozen drink maker. I mean, it comes with a lot of cool ideas that you can start making your own slushy drinks right away. It tells you the minutes, the time, the servings, directions. So that is really cool. You see, pineapple rum slushy. I gotta try this one too. I'm gonna try a coffee slushy, mocha frappe. This is what I want to try. But with this one, I am going to be using Kahlua. Kahlua with that, I think it's gonna work out perfectly. Look how delicious this looks. Oh my god. There's milkshakes too. Pumpkin spice. Yeah, there's all kinds of really good ideas. The recipe book has super helpful tips and ideas for frozen drinks, but you can mix your own. In my case, I use water, mix mango juice, lemon juice, triple sec, and tequila. After mixing everything, I also suggest to taste it before to see if you like it. I followed a recipe I found on internet and I didn't like it, but I was able to make some changes before it was frozen and it turned out perfect. Alright, so we now have the slushy ready. Look at how beautiful that looks. Looks like everything moved right here to the front. We did some changes. In the first place, we changed this from slushy to cocktail. That is something that I noticed that it made a big difference. That's fine. I don't need that much for now. That's fine. Here, mas. Here you go, mama. Cheers. Love you. So, what do you think about the machine? You like it?
I love it.
It's so easy to use, right?
It's so easy to use.
Now, after this one, we're gonna make a frappe. And on the frappe, we're gonna use Kahlua, baby. After the success of the slushy margarita, we wanted to make some frappe. But before we do that, we needed to clean it up. Now, this machine has auto cleaning mechanism with just water, but I wanted to see how it is manually cleaning it, and it turns out it is very easy. They include this cleaning tool and makes it even easier, but we pretty much rinse it out with water and that's it. We bought Starbucks cold frappuccino drinks, 4 of them to be exact. And this is the easiest drink to make, and we also added a little Kahlua in it. Look how beautiful it turned out to be. And all you have to do is make sure you use frappe. The thickness, I put it all the way up, so it is very, very cool. And now, let's make a mix. We're gonna use Kahlua. We're gonna use it at the bottom first, just a little tiny bit. There you go. And then we're gonna pour a little bit of the sushi. Oh man, look at that. I said sushi? Slushy. That's it. Okay, so now we put a little bit on top. ¿Cómo se llama eso? A floater?
Floater.
Floater, look at that. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. There you go. You guys, you have to try this. It is so good. What do you think? Good?
So good.
Oh, I want to try it, but without the straw. I don't need the straw. Oh my god, I can taste the Kahlua. It's so good. This machine is absolutely amazing. It does take about 20 minutes to make this frappe mix, and the cleanup is super easy. Love it, totally recommend it. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It is cheaper than the one from Costco, definitely cheaper. It's about $300, maybe less than that. There's a coupon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of the video, so you guys can check it out. It is, I think the value is great. There's a recipe book included. After this one, we're gonna do the wine, right?
Yeah.
We wanna try the wine one, see how it works. But I already did the margarita, and it turned out perfect. But this is my favorite one so far. The frappe. Maybe we use the caramel, right?
Next time let's do caramel.
Let's do, yeah, next time we're gonna use the caramel. But this mocha, it was perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out. Cheers, baby. Cheers. Love you.